Good day, faith friends. I am Vanessa Bisco and I am your gospel sharer for today. Our holy gospel is from Matthew chapter 12, verses 38 to 42. For today's gospel, there are people who do not believe in Jesus. At ang mga ito ay maniniwala lang kay Jesus kapag nagbigay si Jesus sa kanila ng miraculous sign. Madami nang pinakitang sign si Jesus pero hindi nila ito pinaniniwalaan. So Jesus refused to give them a sign and instead warns them of judgment to come. This was the sign of Jonah. Just as Jonah was in the belly of the fish 3 days and 3 nights, so the Messiah would be in the grave 3 days and 3 nights before rising from the dead. This sign is the death and resurrection that Jesus is indeed the Messiah, the Son of God. In this gospel, this is God telling us not to act like the unbelievers. In our lives, especially when we are faced with problems and difficulties in life, some of us has a tendency to question God, ask for a sign, and test Him. We have these thoughts like, is God even listening? Is He there at all? Bakit ganito ang nangyayari sa buhay ko? Bakit niya ito pinahintulutang mangyari sa buhay ko? Everything has a purpose and everything are meant to happen. All we have to do is to have faith and trust in Him. We have to walk by faith and not by sight. Even though we may not see God working right now, we trust and believe that He is preparing us for blessings and relief from what we are facing. It means that we keep rejoicing and praising Him through the hard times, knowing that God is still in control. Faith is taking the first step when you don't see the whole staircase. Even though you might not be able to see where you are going, you keep on moving. We should not believe in Jesus by signs. We have to believe in Jesus by faith through His words and make His words our final authority. We don't need any more proof that He is God. Let's not act like these unbelievers who refuse to follow Christ unless He shows a sign. We have to put our trust in Him, follow and serve God wholeheartedly. And lastly, God is expecting us to walk by faith and not by sight, even though signs are present or not. So that's all for my gospel reflection for today. Thank you for watching and listening, and I am inviting everyone, please subscribe on Facebook PH YouTube channel, or you may download the Facebook app or visit or register at www.facebook.ph. Again, thank you everyone, and keep God first!